The world's first human space travel marked a turning point in history as it symbolized humanity's entry into the age of space exploration. On April 12, 1961, Soviet cosmonaut Yuri Gagarin became the first person to journey into outer space. Aboard the spacecraft Vostok 1, launched by the Soviet Union, Gagarin completed an orbit of the Earth in approximately 108 minutes, reaching a maximum altitude of about 327 kilometers to 103 miles. The mission was both a scientific breakthrough and a geopolitical milestone, taking place during the height of the Cold War and the space race between the United States and the Soviet Union. Vostok 1 was launched from the Baikonur Cosmodrome in Kazakhstan, and the spacecraft was controlled entirely from the ground. Gagarin famously exclaimed "Poikali," "let's go," in Russian as the rocket lifted off, a phrase that became iconic in spaceflight history. The spacecraft made one full orbit around the Earth before re-entering the atmosphere. Due to the design of Vostok 1, Gagarin ejected from the capsule at about 7 kilometers (4.3 miles) above the ground and parachuted safely to Earth, landing near the Volga River. Although this method of landing was later disclosed, it was initially kept secret to comply with international rules that required astronauts to land with their spacecraft for flight records to be recognized. Gagarin's successful flight made him an international hero and a symbol of Soviet scientific achievement. His mission demonstrated the feasibility of human space flight and provided critical data on how the human body could endure weightlessness, acceleration, and re-entry forces. It also paved the way for future missions, including the American Apollo program that would later land humans on the moon. The success of Vostok 1 inspired generations of scientists, engineers, and dreamers. It marked the dawn of human space exploration and was followed by numerous other missions, including the first American astronaut in space, Alan Shepard, who flew less than a month later in May 1961. Today, Yuri Gagarin's achievement is celebrated annually around the world on Yuri's Night, a global celebration of space exploration. Ultimately, the first space travel by Yuri Gagarin stands as a monumental achievement in human history, not only because of its scientific significance, but also because it united people in awe and wonder at the vast potential of exploring the universe beyond our planet.